Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make bee hotel or insect hotel. This is very easy, so let's get started. So for the cans, you can use any metal cans, plastic or wood. I'll use my tomato cans here and peanuts. So I have some rolls. You can save some tissue rolls if you like, or any cardboard rolls if you have. Pine cones, some wooden sticks or twigs or vines, and I have some corrugated box or paper here. I got it from Amazon boxes that I got, so I'm just gonna put it inside, and some rolls as well. So it's just to try to mimic the beehive. So you want to have some holes in there, not too big, not too small. You can play with different kinds of sizes if you have, since insects are relatively small, and even particularly bees. These are really great because during rainy days or hurricane season, especially during winters as well. For solitary bees, these are really perfect because they can use as the shelter or evacuation site or place, like what we call it, a bee hotel. And it's really very easy. You can be creative like this. You use different materials that you have there already, or even get your kids around you make one as well if you like. So this, I'm just gonna roll this around. If you want smaller rolls, you can use paper or cardboard if you have, and then I'm just going to put sticks around it to fill some gaps or spaces to make it a little tighter so they will not fall out from the cans. So here it is really very easy. You don't have to make it very beautiful. Just to have spaces and small holes for insects, and this is really great. Very easy to use. You can get creative. You can add some dried flowers. And if you guys curious on how to attract bees in your garden, I made a separate video for that. You can check it out later if you like. So here I have many dried flowers, so I kept them, and I'm gonna put them as well inside to make it homey. Some dried flowers, kind of like different variety of flowers, dried flowers, and then even some dry leaves because you want the bees to be comfortable. So here, it's very easy. I put some rocks around so that will not roll over, or put it in sheltered. I have here a divider, so even though it will rain, it will not soak the insects inside. So here it is, very easy. So there you go, friends. That's how to make a very easy hotel bee or insect hotel for your garden. It will really attract bees, especially if you planted around flowers as well. I have planted mine alyssum because it is really very easy and bees love it as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye!